Anyone who's worked with QuickBooks understands that getting data out of QuickBooks is challenging. Yes, a P&L can be easily downloaded. The rub becomes if the accounting team makes a journal entry, the entire report and entire data set has to be re-downloaded, which means everything has to be re-uploaded into the models and so on. I was trying to build different models to do financial statement reporting. And when I said we have a lot, we have 16 different QuickBooks files. And so some are more complex than others, but at the end of the day, trying to combine 16 different P&Ls that all have different account numbers and so forth is very, very challenging. So we just didn't even attempt it. We did it for kind of the main operating businesses. We got to a point where as long as nothing really changed, we were decently streamlined. And by that, I mean, I could update the reports in half a day to 3/4 of a day. And that was a subset of the reports. I tried prior to that kind of manual effort to introduce Power BI and Power Query. They worked to some degree, but the problem was it was so complex that if I ever left the firm, they needed to hire an expert in that in order to replace me. And not a lot of people really know how to use it well. So, and it was clunky because inevitably every month something new would come up and I would have to spend hours kind of combing back through the files. So while it seemed promising, it really never, that Power BI, Power Query never really got off the ground in a meaningful way. Then we went back to just trying to combine things through spreadsheets, and we're probably happy to go along that way. And in fact, we got contacted by a competitor to Coefficient, and we were going down that route. And we didn't like the complexity that competitor had. So I didn't love the complexity. It also was very limited. It could only handle like what was in QuickBooks, and which was okay. But if we ever wanted to move to another more powerful system, we didn't have that opportunity. Or if we needed to download and analyze other data, which today we don't, but one day we may. Coefficient gave us that opportunity. And so there were hangups around the other tool. Not that we're 100% price sensitive, but you know, that other tool was going to be 10x the cost of Coefficient on the course of a year, and more complex. The lead on time was probably going to be 6 to 8 weeks. I talked to Charlie. I mean, I was surfing around, put in information, and Charlie, our rep, called me within 5 minutes of putting information in. And he said, listen, I'm going to just send you a login right now. And it's so simple, you'll figure it out by the time we're finished talking on the phone. And he was right. And we haven't looked back. So the big challenge was it just took time. And as a family office, we are a lean and nimble organization. So accounting, finance, it's me. So, you know, I'm doing a lot of high-level finance, but I'm also doing bookkeeping work and financial reporting work that, you know, I hadn't done in years. And so for my skills to be consumed for multiple days preparing financial reports instead of analyzing those or helping to solve more business problems was really not a good use of time. So we were getting crushed. I was getting crushed every month with financial reports, inevitably because one or two things would shift or change in any given month. And the Excel models are notorious to have some sort of, you know, leakage or breakage. And, you know, some formula would be blown someplace along the way. And so inevitably, right, I'd sit down with our owner, our principal, and, you know, start running through numbers, and something just jumped off the page as this doesn't look right. And, you know, so personally, that impacted my credibility with the leadership of the firm. We went from, I would say, roughly kind of a 10-day close to now I can get books out in 3 days if I press pretty hard. So, a single person doing all of that within a handful of more or less hours, it's amazing. The biggest thing that saves time is we built out a series of templates that allow us to pull in the same formatted data every single month. And since Coefficient is an Excel-based tool, it's super easy to work with. It's very flexible, and it allowed me to use a number of columns that were outside of the parameters of Coefficient to build the formulas that I needed in order to feed more summarized data fields for P&Ls, for balance sheet. We haven't started kind of doing that from a cash flow perspective, but just getting P&L and balance sheet on a combined and consolidated basis has been huge. It's been very, very helpful from the standpoint of, inevitably when I'm doing a financial review, I see balances that were classified to one account that should have been in another account. I can make that correction on the fly, refresh the data, and within seconds, I have an updated financial statement. It means that my data, I feel good about my data always being safe, secure, and accessible thanks to Coefficient. You should do it immediately. I have told several people that, and I've shared it with several public accounting firms who I know they have customers who are all over QuickBooks, and it makes reporting a breeze. And there's really, for the cost benefit, it'll return value within weeks or months, a couple of months. Once you have the system in place, it's there and you really don't have to do much to it. And that's absolutely fantastic. So if you're really looking to stay on a simplified accounting platform like QuickBooks for a long time, maybe extend the life of QuickBooks, this is a great way to do it. And if you need data from other sources, whether that's Google Analytics or out of your CRM or any other types of data that an operating company is going to need, Coefficient is your tool because you're going to be able to pull that data as well. Coefficient is the single greatest return on investment I've made this year.